here's how you can remove a background from your existing photo, okay, using Canva. Alright, welcome to my channel. This is about Femi graphics. Okay, so what you have to do is to just create custom size. Put your custom size. Let's just use 1:1 or whatever we want to use just to create a background. We'll use a strand down to 15. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, you need to go to upload, then go to upload medium, click on device, go to your download. Now I've uploaded my picture, so once you click it upload, let me click on it, so it will bring it out here. So this is my picture with black background or whatsoever the background that your picture have. So once you have to go to effects, so once you click on effects, it load, then you need to click on background remover. So you click on background remover. This is more quality than other background remover, so it's automatic how you can remove background, automatic on the Canva. So once you click that, it will load and remove the background. Alright, right now you can see that at the back of my picture there is nothing like background again, so you can use this for any design I like. Okay, so what next now is to just download it. If you want to download it, you can download it, and if you want to use it on Canva, you can just use it directly on Canva. So click on download icon at the top there, then click on download, then you need to click on transparent background. Then click on transparent background. Yes, so you need to know that the transparent background is for pro version. If you don't know how to get a pro version, you can check the link under it how I got my pro version just by using the Canva website directly. And then you can also use an Canva app and Pro to do this same procedure. It's the same thing. So another thing is you just want to download it. So that's all. Once you download it, to come out as a PNG image. So that's all. Thank you.